Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to Utica Engineering Services, your house plan market. This is our new site for the year and we are undergoing a 4-bedroom bungalow with a paint floor. One of the rooms is going to be an underground, while the other one is going to be a paint floor. So this is our current location at Abia State. If you watch carefully, we are undergoing the drilling of a borehole at that position. So this is the site. Now this is the 4-bedroom bungalow with a paint floor. So I'm going to be going up. The DPC is very high. For you to get up to the DPC, you have to climb up to at least 6-7 steps. So this is our DPC. This is our DPC level. So you can see how deep it is. Okay. So this is the area where we are going to be having the underground. So we are trying to carry out the rendering before filling it. Okay. And so I'm going to walk to the other side of this apartment so you see what we are doing there. So as we proceed, after this stage we'll start filling this place. The filling is not going to be easy, but it's a task that we need to accomplish in order for us to get the best out of it. So I'll be walking down to the other side. Okay. So when we get to the DPC, I'm going to be explaining some certain things on concerning this project. Okay. Yeah, that reminds me, this is it's not a plain land. Okay, it's a land that is sloped to one direction. So, and that's why we are utilizing this particular area for the underground. Okay, so this is the spot we are going to be using for the underground. So we are carrying out the casting work here. So from somewhere here, we are going to be having a staircase that's going to lead us to this apartment. Okay, and this same staircase is going to lead us to the paint floor. Thank you so much for following me up to this point. If you have questions regarding your house construction activities, feel free to let us know and comment if you have any input you want to contribute to what we are doing here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.